Yo, my people, what's up? How the day? Once again, this is my boy, Professor Tokandu. I'm here again. They do what I know best. So you guys remember this car now? What done I said we cut. We don't cut and finish. Take the vital part we need to take. So that the empty shell be this. Oh, no need. I don't know why these people don't come out this iron. And this other one too. I don't know why. They don't know some money be that. I don't understand. They don't know some money be that. I don't know. I don't understand. Make I come first. Make I check. I don't know why you don't come out now. See this other one. So I just come in now. Work in progress. So, but as make I check out the whole cars first, we then dismantle. See whether there's anything we don't dispose, we don't know come out. So that I can come out, I can call the attention when I come out time because I don't want to hear story that touch. Without wasting much of your time, I'm not going to spend much of your time because I get things to do, but I just want to show you guys when you hear cut. This is the definition of cutting here. If I tell you, say I'm going to cut car, I go cut car. Now this thing I go do to naked the car. You get my point. Going to naked the car, come out all the vital things. All this one I don't talk to empty shell. Come. I told them I come out this seat. I don't know why they're not going to come out. I told them I come out this seat before. I don't know why they're not come out. But all these things now, we don't need them. You get my point. So they don't already start work anyway. So without wasting much of your time, these are some of the dashboard here. These are some of the dashboard. So the dashboard is this. These are some of the dashboard. We don't come out. And these are some of the parts. So once we reach Nigeria now, we will now know what to do. So these are also the parts that go inside. These are.
You guys said I should give you this.
Huh?
You said I should give you this.
Who?
Kevin.
The money will come I give her for waiting. I gave him money.
I don't give her.
Well, I don't make a video. I'm coming. Hold it till I come. Just give me a few minutes at the call. It doesn't cost anything to do but don't bring get truck. Say that is now me do the mistake. I would have given the owner of the tow truck. That is it because there's no sense in it. You understand? No sense. I'm coming. So guys. I will tell you, you start the job, you should have finished your job. Guys, without wasting much of time, these are the engines. We don't come out. That's the engine. You get one car then come out, we don't cut. The engine, they sound. The engine, in fact, the car is start. Most of the cars we see here. You see, most people they go to buy junk engine. You understand? You cannot compare junk engines and all these engines. You get my point. You cannot compare junk engine and all this engine because all this engine gets good engine. This one are not car we born. You see yourself. And the one we born. Remember this. So this is my major business. This is my major business. What I do here. You get my point. That is why I need a second. This way this is my major business. Just to cut cars and all that. So that is the reason why if people where they have to buy and ship how much. Now why sometimes they feel sick if person tell buy and ship how much because I've said this several times. I know they sell motor. You get my point. I cut cars for parts because those people they cut bulk 20, 30 vehicles at a go. No be person won't buy one car now go they give me one day this thing. They give me headache and all that. So if you want to do business, that does not stop me from not assisting you to help you buy. And at the same time, say to God, because my time I sink into this thing. You with me? Now time I sink into these things. So meanwhile, I don't make a show now brief because I have so many things to do. So work don't start. Work in progress. So I'm not going to waste much of your time. Yes, because I have things to do. I carry things come self I want put inside container from pick up. Where they might pick up. I never even take them down. You know, I never even take them down. So make you just see what we have, how far we've gone. I have things where I want to where I came in with. I never even take them down. So I just want to show you guys. 2 cars is there inside there already. You get a point. So remember 1 more car to go. Once after that 1 more car, no more. Yes, so after that 1 more car, no more. As you can see, men at work. You can see. Now I don't know. Yes, you can see men at work. You get my point. So this is what we do here. You get my point. This is what we do here. So that's just it. As you can see, men at work. You know, I don't want to go inside, not to expose the container number by the door side. Just to show you guys. 2 cars already go inside. This container cannot take 4 vehicles. Just 3. And the 3rd vehicle where we go put in. They are trying to make good use of the space so that the container no go empty. I get to my point. No go empty. Are you with me? So that is just it. So this is now the 4th container I'm doing within 2 weeks. This is 1 week now. 4th, and I have another one again. Container what I go do again this same week again. Same part, cutting of cars to make them 5 within 2 weeks. 5 containers within 2 weeks. You get my point. And I have one now pending, but I will have to pause. You know, I take a break, so I make other people work because this is a partnership business. So if I do small, him too need to attend to his own customer too. I get to my point. So that is just it, guys. I want to show you the guys the 3rd car where they go inside. The 3rd car going inside the yard, go inside the container. I'm going to show you guys the 3rd car. It's inside there. It's inside there. It's inside there. You see sometimes some people they make me seem as if I'm wicked. This guy called me, told me that over the weekend he go send the money. Nah, he hasn't done that. Tomorrow now, if I begin they tell the guy say your storage, your money don't incur storage fee now. You go feel say them so bad. You go drag me to the social media. Now don't see him now. The car is still here. He never see shake body. I'm making this video out there. Mokuna bear witness. Mokuna see if you know you are not ready to buy car, do not contact. Every day I dey talk am. I no want make me and anybody they fight. I no get space. What I'm paying for, what will they pay for this yard is so heavy. You know go use it. What will they pay for this yard? Go buy this motor almost 5 or 6 or more. Why you don't beg me? I don't help you buy with the small deposit they give me now. You promise say you're going to sell something before end of the month. Month don't pass. You promise say on Saturday don't pass. You've not done nothing. In fact, I will tow this car to the port. If I don't hear from him this week, I'm towing this car to the port. I can't put this car inside container just to go and dump it for the port. If he no pay, make it there, and I will not seek him my money for shipping. Make him not pay the money, then between him and Grimadi. That is just it. It's good I'm making this reference now. Make everybody bear witness. Because anybody we get issue with them, so that's part, even if not them they at fault, they go drag me come social media. Then they're gonna give the audience negative narrative. Meanwhile, they are the cause of all your shit. You might say you no get money, they carry your girlfriend go back, go drink. Is that not madness? When you hold 2,000 for pocket, they carry your girlfriend go back, go drink. You invite her friends come. They order point and kill, catfish, this one now. You know they check your pocket. The next thing now don't spend 10, 15K now. You just could abscond, abandon the girl there just to fall her hand. You know say you don't get money to carry woman come out. Do not take her out. Don't be by force. She no force you to come take her out. Now you just want to show yourself, say yes, you are okay. You don't take her out, finish now. The next thing now, you don't hang. That makes no sense. I don't get space. Smoking a bear witness. I'm saying it now. The other day I made a video, he contacted me. Say, don't worry, boss, I go do see weekend. Weekend don't come and gone. The car is still here. I don't want to keep the car here. I don't want to keep the car here because see, our space is too small. It's too small. I don't want to keep car here. I'm saying it now, make everybody bear witness because when I call react now to see as if say na me dey this, I don't sell car. I don't sell people to buy and ship. If you no get money, if you don't now my money, a part of my money I used to pay for this car to bring am here. Make una bear witness. This is the next car going inside the container. You understand? So this one, this one this one is too big. You understand? This car is so big. So we're gonna take it. You cannot take 4. This one already occupy almost 1.5 space. You know, so that is just it. So but make I see other office inside. That's what office inside. Okay, I don't show you inside before. That is the inside. You know, that is the inside. So the owner self contacted me this morning. As we say, the professor, how far? When is my car moving? Now, so your car go move today. Your car go move today. Your car go move today. So, guys, without wasting much of your time, I just want him to say yes, we are work here in progress. We are not idle here. I know they're redundant, you know. So that is just it. That is just it. So, guys, I'm not going to end the video because I have things to do. So many things to do. This one, this other one too. This one now they go for the next container. This RX they go for the next container. They go for the next container. We don't go do this week because we're gonna cut. We have some cars to cut this week. You know, they go for the next container together with this, together with this other one. Because the owner want to cut 20. So the owner won't cut 20. So we want to cut 20. So now these two, when they go. He also bought a car. He's also bought some vehicles. You get a point. So he bought some vehicles. So that is that on that, guys. So I'm just showing you guys, you know, make you guys on the record. You understand? So many people don't understand what I do. You know, see this guy when they sell car. I know they sell. You know, everybody get what they do. Now I'm looking at part that they do. I buy, I cut. But that does not stop me. If you want to help you buy a car, I'll go help you buy. So now the reason why at the MS ones they ask me buying and shipping how much. Sometimes I need to answer them because even if you want to discuss business, you WhatsApp me, we'll talk private. You get my point. You WhatsApp me, we'll talk private. What do you talk? I got money. What the man? So that is just it. So that is just it. So if you want to talk for your business, we can discuss. So that is that on that, guys. I'm going to end it here. These are part of the things. Not everything will go, you know. This seat now, I'm not sure. So this seat will go. Because this one will be market. This one I'm not sure, you know. But make it just there first. The one will be why I won't make it go like this one. And those other ones still there. So this seat still there. Now won't make it go. But the most important thing I make all these parts. This part right there here, move, go inside. I get to my point. So that is just it. If you are just joining me, okay, make you just share, okay? As you guys know, I need the same motto. You know, I just help people to build, buy and ship. I need to sell. You understand? I don't sell. So no, I need to sell parts. So people they ask me say, okay, how much for engine? Okay, go market, go buy engine. Okay, how much for that? Okay, go market, go buy dashboard. Okay, I beg, I need the cash stereo. Okay, go market, go buy cash stereo. The rest I go do for you. Help you. If you buy car, I will help you cut the car. You understand? I will help you cut the car. I get to my point. I will help you cut am. Then you not take it to one take. You may not own it. You will not just sell yourself or help you sell the thing for Nigeria. But it is not. It's not my responsibility. I'm not responsible to sell anything for you. I get to my point. So that is it. So guys, without wasting much of the time, I'm going to end this here because without wasting much of the time, I'm going to end this here because I get things to do. I get other things to attend to. But look, I don't show you guys. So, but if they won't put the third car, I might, if I'm chance, I'll show you guys. I'll make a video and show to you guys. But for now, this is the best I can do now. Okay, just in case if I don't do any video, Just know say I'm dey too busy, but I might do the next video for the third car. You understand? So guys, that is it. Make I end am here because I get things to do. You understand? So for those now who talk say show your face, see my face now. My face be this, so don't say go now come now. You go just if you just watch for the first 5 seconds, the next you go say show your face. Now you no go watch the ending. You no get data to watch the ending, but you have to comment rubbish. You can't comment rubbish. If you just join me, make it just share, okay? You know, I beg. Make I just take good care. I'm going to still make a video if I have the chance and time. So for now, just take care and bye bye for now.